everybody, it's Ms. Jessica with the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab, and today in the Learning Lab we are going to be working on a STEM challenge. The challenge is, can you build a bird's nest as good as a bird? That's the challenge. Before we get started, I want to talk to you a little bit about the life cycle of a robin, because in spring that's the first bird that we usually end up seeing is the robin. So let's look at that life cycle now.
Here you can see the life cycle of the bird, the robin. The robin will lay the blue eggs, which will turn into a hatchling, which eventually will develop into a chick, and then the adult robin.
Okay, so now you have seen the life cycle of the robin, and as you can see, they are a nesting bird. So we are going to use our STEM challenge to try and build a nest. You need to gather up your supplies. You are going to need your little eggs that you got in your kit and some moss, and you're going to want to collect other items from nature which need to come out from outside. So sticks and some grasses would be good, and we also did a mixture of glue, dirt, and flour to try and hold our nest together. You do not need to use that. We're going to try and use it for ours and see what happens. Let's get started. So we found this nest in our neighborhood, and it's on this part of the stick because it actually wouldn't come off. So we are using this as our example of how we should try to construct our nest. And we can see over here, right over here, they kind of woven the nest into the sticks, maybe to hold it up. So I don't know, we might try and do something like that. And you can see on the inside, they do have different materials in there. So let's get started with the challenge and see what we can come up with. Now, if you feel confident enough in your bird's nest challenge, you can always take your bird's nest outside and place it in a tree and test it out by adding heavier things and see if you were able to build a bird's nest that could actually hold a baby or eggs or even the mama bird. Let us know what you came up with.
Thanks for joining the Fairmount Community Library Learning Lab and completing our STEM challenge, Build a Bird Nest. Don't forget to share with us the nest that you built.